Yep, what's up everybody? So today I'm gonna be installing the OEM, well, I'm gonna be installing the push to start for the RSX. Um, so this is the push to start button, and I believe it's the same with the S1000. So I actually pieced this out because ICB sells this, all of this, but it's like $350, and I believe I paid like $226 altogether. So I got the button with this harness. This harness is it's not OEM, but you know, it was made by, I forgot what company, but I bought it off somebody. It was like he used it before and it was working, but it's pretty much plug and play, the same thing. Has a relay and plug and play pretty much. And this I bought off Etsy.com, I guess a seller. So this I could leave the link to the description, but it's pretty simple install. All you basically need is, you know, something to pry and a screwdriver and a Dremel. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is pry this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the pry, and I need to take this out and this out. I'm gonna be putting the push to start button right here. So I'm gonna have to relocate the roof here because I don't have cruise control or fog lights anymore. So. Okay, so pry this out. Disconnect everything. It's always that one that doesn't want to come out. It's an uncomfortable position too. There we go. You got it all taken out. You just push the ends in, and they should push it out. So I'm gonna take them all out because I need to relocate the roof to the far left side anyway. Cruise control. I don't need this. So yeah. So this is where you need the Dremel to cut this open so you can fit the bezel. Alright, so it's the bezel. So like I said, you can put it whichever side you want. I want to do it on this side. I don't know. So got my Dremel. Alright, so let's see if this fits now. This way. There we go. So it should look like this. And then we could get the button and put it in. Alright, so here's the button. Just should slide right in. There we go. And now for the wiring. So you wanna, I think I already have the bottom panel down there undone, but then you wanna unscrew the steering wheel column. So the top and the bottom. Well, I think this is actually undone too. I'm not sure. Well, the top one. Yeah, the top one is. The bottom has 3 screws. Let's see if I can get under there. So yeah, I only had 2 screws down there, so now this should just come on. Alright guys, so now we have the steering column off. So now what you want to do is unplug this one. And this would go into your harness. So let's put this down. Can't really get a good angle to show you guys, I don't think. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is the one you want to take out right here. Alright, so we took this out and you put this one from the harness. I mean, it's plug and play, so you can't really mess it up. The other way. And then this one goes in there. And then for the push to start button, you want to run it. For the push to start button, you want to run it under here. There's some space through the back, and then you'll be able to see it right here. I don't know if you can see my hand right now, but yeah, you run it back there. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, and then for the final step, you need to put the ground. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna just add it right there. I need to take out my old fog light wiring as well, but don't mind that. Where's the screwdriver? Alright, so before I put everything back together, let's connect this push to start. Switch it to the other camera. Alright, so now everything's connected. Just plug in the wiring for this. And before I put everything back together, let's just test it out. So, you need the keys. And you still need the keys. You just need to put it in position 2. And for my car, I don't have to step on the clutch because I bypassed it. So let's see. It's in position 2. And we good. That was pretty simple. Plug and play, just how I like it. So what we want to do is get my roof. I guess we can plug back the cruise control, just tuck it in there even though I don't use it. Just leave it in there. Which one is cruise control? So there you have it, guys. Everything put back together. Yeah, it's pretty simple install. It should take less than 10 minutes if you have everything. And yeah, this is something I always wanted. You know, I don't know. I just think it's pretty cool, even though you still need to put the key inside. But there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Before I go, let's do it one more time, just because I love this